my cuties, I miss you guys so much. So we're gonna go ahead and start jumping into this video. So I have already laid out the sizes for my fingernails. I know mine by heart for the most part, but if you don't, it's okay for you to go ahead and size your fingers out. Or if you're making press-ons to sell, then there is like a general guideline that others make for you to go by when people want small, medium, or large sizes. But these are custom to me. I'm not making them for anybody else. So what I'm starting off with is I'm buffing each nail. It's the same just like you would do in your acrylic nails, where you would have to use the drill to get the shine off the natural nail. So I'm just doing the same thing with the buffer. It will help everything adhere so much more better. So that's why I'm doing that. I did apply my nails to this using the double-sided tape because I was unsure of what I see. A lot of people use like this blue putty thing, but I could have did more research to figure out exactly what it was. But I was like, whatever. I just bought the double-sided tape, so I just attached them with the double-sided tape. But as you can see, I busted one of them too hard and it like went flying, so I had to put it back on, but it's all good. But I got these little things off of Amazon. They were like, I think $10 for 4, so I got a total of 4 gold ones. You can get gold, pink, or silver, and gold is my favorite everything. So yeah, I went ahead and buffed the other hand off, the other side off camera. But this acrylic is a custom mix that I made because I'm working on a acrylic line, and this right here is giving kawaii vibes. So I was thinking the name might be Kawaii Vibes or something like that. My niece is just really into anime. She's been into anime since she was a kid, so I was actually going to name it Super Kawaii because she told me it means like super cute. So I thought that would be like a cute name for it. I'm just tweaking the way it looks because I want to make sure it has enough chunkiness in it, enough dimension. Should I add more glitter? Should I take some out? But I'm gonna let you guys tell me what you think about this color in the comments, and tell me how much you like it, if you like it or if you don't, or if you don't like it, tell me what you don't like about it, or something you think I can add to it, or anything of the sorts. But that's what this colors come from. So all of the colors that I'm using in this whole video, except for the white, is custom colors that I've made, handmade by me, for my acrylic line. So be on the lookout for Cutie Claws Acrylic. And if you would like, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at that page as well. I have the business page already. I'm just still working some things out behind the scenes on the website, packaging, stuff like that. So yeah, but I went ahead and applied thin. I'm applying thin layers of acrylic because with that glitter, you do have to encapsulate it. So I'm doing the look that I have. I usually don't go for uniformity. I like to switch things up on each hand, but I was being lazy, so I just went ahead and I didn't feel like doing all that extra stuff. So I just went ahead and like kind of did the same design on each hand. So those were the thumbs. So I'm like, I did one thumb, let's go ahead and do the other thumb. But I like to do my press-ons with acrylic just because I like the sturdiness of it. I don't like to do the polish because it feels kind of flimsy to me. So that's why I do acrylic, but to each his own. Some people like to do the polish because it's much easier, which it is. I move slow as molasses when it comes to applying acrylic because I don't practice every day as often as I should, especially with having 3 kids under 3 now. So I do get my practice when it comes from doing my nails or family members' nails or something like that. But I'm just really applying really thin layers. And as you can see, it's actually a lot easier to practice applying the acrylic with the press-ons because I can hold the nails down really good and let it flow. So I just wanted to zoom in on this clip so y'all can really see what I was doing. This is Mia Secret's white. So I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch. I know it's gonna seem like I'm applying a lot of acrylic or a lot of beads, but you know, some people have like a three ball method and things of that nature. But every time I watch videos of a lot of people who are very talented, they always say just apply what you need. So I just always apply what I need. As you can see, I keep turning the nail because I'm using this as really good practice, as if I was doing somebody's nails. So I'm turning it to the side, to the front, up, down, left, right, whichever way I need to fill in dips. So even some corners on the side that I missed. So that was what that thin layer there was for. So I just wanted to let you guys know that you shouldn't have to follow like a rule of thumb per se with the three ball method. I mean, you can once you're more advanced to help you move faster, but yeah, I'm not that advanced. But this is also a custom color by me. As you can see, I wrote the label on like cotton candy. I was trying to go for some type of uh, pretty pinks because I notice a lot of people love pinks, and even pink is not my favorite color, but when in doubt I go pink because there's a shade of pink for everybody, for every skin tone that would look good on just about every skin tone. So pink is a very universal color, and is very dainty, so a lot of people love to just wear pink. So that's why I'm going this. So I am going ahead, like I said, just applying really thin balls. As you can see, a lot of the balls I try to do in the middle, and I try to extend them to the end because I'm trying to work on like a three ball method type of thing. But of course, like I said, I'm not that advanced, so I just kind of apply what I need in the areas that I need them to. But once I become better at applying the beads, then I'm pretty sure I will be able to achieve a three ball method. But I'm talking method. But until then, I'm just gonna apply what I need. And this brush, y'all, I got this brush from Amazon years ago, and I locked myself out my damn Amazon account, so I cannot like go through my previous purchases to see what I bought this from, because this was actually a very good sturdy brush that I've had for years. The handle is metal and everything is sturdy. But I just wanted to show you guys how smooth the nail looked once I was finished applying it. And let me, once again, y'all, just let me know what y'all think about some of these colors that I have. Just because sometimes I could be my own worst enemy and overthink things and be like, no, they won't like this. I don't know, you know. So if y'all do like the colors, or if y'all don't, just give me all types of feedback on the color, y'all, for real. I want to make sure I release something that is good quality that everybody likes. So I'm still going to try to test these with other monomers, but right now I use Me Secret at the moment just because it's the most affordable for me, and that's just being honest. But it does have the strongest smell. But I want to try Critics, I think that's how you pronounce it, and Sugar and Cream, because those are other like popular brands of monomer. So I really just want to kind of make sure I'm not limiting my brand, so when people ask me questions about what it works well with, I can give them an honest opinion on what brands it works best with until I'm able to get my own monomer. But until then, I'm just going to focus on the acrylics itself. But on that nail that I did, it was the pinky. I did like a pink to clear ombre. I like that look on the pinky. I thought it was cute. But I only put acrylic at the top. When I go back to overcap it, I'm going to build up the bottom of the nail, and then I'm going to also cap the top where the pink is to protect the ombre. And those two press-on colors, those two press-on nails in the corner are just me testing out the acrylic. So if you look over, you can see how super kawaii it's supposed to look or turn out on the nails once it is encapsulated. So once again, just let me know if y'all really like that color. I really like that glitter, so just tell me what y'all think. But I'm gonna shut up for probably about the rest of this video and just let y'all watch, because some people learn best by watching, and I'm one of those people. So I think that's probably going to be it for me talking for the rest of the video. So thank you so much, my cuties, for subscribing. And if you're not a cutie and you're not subscribed but you clicked on this video, thank you so much for doing that, because you didn't have to, but hopefully you like me enough to subscribe. But that's all, my cuties. Mwah. Hi, you guys. So I know I said I was finished, but I just wanted to come back and explain this clip. As you can see me rubbing on that nail, that's a habit of mine that I've had for years, but I rub the top of the nail to make sure everything is smooth. That's a good indicator for me, just in case I might not have seen anything from turning the nail every which direction. I've had so many bad experiences in nail salons where I will rub my nail and it was just lumpy and bumpy, and I just can't stand to feel the lumps. It like really makes my skin crawl. It irritates me. So I always rub the top of my nails to try to check for any lumps and bumps, as well as turning in different directions. But I'm also just going ahead to shape the nails. As you can hear my toddler in the background. He woke up this morning. You say hi? Say hi? You don't want to say hi? Okay, he don't want to say hi. He just want to make all types of noise. He just want to make some regular noise. So we just going to go ahead and let the rest of this clip play. But I just wanted to come on here and explain that to y'all. Say bye-bye.
Bye. that piece of paper? You see that piece of paper?
Oh, just watching.
What we gonna have for dinner? What we gonna have for dinner? Look at that fat baby coming. You ate a lot of food. Look at that gun. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Okay, get in.
He had in Georgia. He must have just crossed the border. He must have just crossed the border.